Time to sleep. Good morning, people out there. How are your pets? Are they like this after eating and sleeping? My pets are asleep after eating. It's only a few minutes when they wake up that they tease them. They look so cute when they sleep. 3 kittens sleeping together. Lucy and Lucio are sleeping together. They all look beautiful while sleeping. I lost my sleepiness and tiredness when I see and spend time with them. When I'm here at work, they are the ones who make me happy every day. So I will love them and take care of them like a child. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.